Right, well, after a rather boring day riding around in a van and getting stopped by Bulgarian border patrol and interrogated, I've now been asked to have a look at this, which is also a petrol and LPG. I'm not really qualified for LPG, but I got a feeling that sort of like with the way that it's trying to start, it's not starting because the plugs are knackered. So we'll slip 4 new plugs in there and then sort of like see what it does. First thing I checked as well, that this was loose and this was loose. So yeah, that's where we're up to at the moment. So yeah, it's fucking busman's holiday is this. It really is. But yeah, it stinks of petrol as well. It sounds to me like it's only firing on possibly 1 cylinder, the other 3. But it was only Tuesday. This Tuesday,
yeah,
gone.
Yeah, before that on Monday it runs.
On Monday it runs, Tuesday it does not.
Yeah, it stopped running while it was moving.
While it was moving?
Yeah.
Okay. That changes things a little bit. Right. Because normally something like they stop and they want to restart again. So, right, this is going to need some further investigation, but the first thing that we'll do is swap out the plugs and see where we go with that. Right, 4 spark plugs changed, and one running engine, because this is what came out. Crap. Right, so shorter than expected video, but I got it running. Anybody could have done this, but yeah, maybe that'll make him happy. Right, see you later folks.